Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Virtual Fix. Um, Today I want to show you how it talks in the VMware virtual machine in a computer on Windows 11. So first guys, we need to check something on the laptop or computer that you have available. We need to do a right click on the taskbar and we go to Task Manager. Okay, so then here we go to Performance and we need to check virtualization is enabled. That is important. And to install Kali Linux is only 2 gigabytes needed in the virtual machine, but it's recommendable have a 32 gigabytes. But look, this is my laptop and installing in 16 gigabyte. The idea is that like in computer with low speeds, you can still installing, okay? So after check ISA one is available and you have virtualization enabled, the first thing, of course, we need to download the software. So the software we're looking for VMware Workstation Pro. Here you go. So you found in here. That is the last version normally from VMware. So when you hit click here, so you having they say like preparation. That is the last version, but I think that is a ground link. We come back. We're looking for the Fusion and Workstation. The second one. You see that one is different. Okay, so just check it out because sometimes it's looking for the ground one. So you hitting download. We need to register in a website called broadcom.com. Okay, if you don't have any account, you just need to log in to here in this button and then say register. Okay, so we register as a company name. So I have this is my email. So I register. I think it's 0GLZ. Next. So they send me an email. So we're looking for email to check it out. So I have my account here, Gmail. If you want, send me an email. You're happy to. You are welcome. If you have any questions, you can look at me in the comment area and left the comment there. I'm happy to respond all the questions. So we take the verification code, paste it, verify and continue. So they say asking for a name, for a company name. So we put a virtual. Last name is fixed. We fix everything. Country, we are based in Australia. Password, uh, choose your own one. Asset, create account. Okay, so we can say save it. Here in the bottom, you can click. I will do it later because it's only need this info one time. Okay, close it. And we back to the website we used to be download now. Click here. Now we access directly because you already registered and everything. So login with account. Next. We need doing this step only once, okay? We don't need to do it many times, so don't worry too much about remember these things. So on the left side, you will find my downloads, and then you click here in free software available. Close the cookie, this Windows, and then you look on the right hand, you can look for Workstation, VMware Workstation Pro. Click there. And then we can install the later one, which is Windows. Okay. They ask for filling in some forms for the city, so you need to click in agree terms and conditions. Then back here, click here, and then in the cloud on the right hand. Yes, so yes. They need to fill it in some form, some information. Just you put it just whatever you want. I put it some address here. I know. City, Sydney, state NSW, company virtual fix. Australia, I can modify and submit. No thanks. Okay. Company. Already done. It's just need to wait. Then you're able to download the file here. See, start downloading. We have VMware machine, so we are ready to start installing. So we look in the folder, download folders, whatever you put there. We have VMware, so double click and we start to installing. So as I said before, and installing in a simple machine is nothing spectacular. It's just a simple machine. Okay. Most of the people have 16 gigabytes, so that's what I want to do the test with you guys, and you see it's possible. Okay. So you just click here and whatever doing. So stay until the end of the video to don't miss any step, and you will be successful to doing the installation, the correct installation and running in a 16 gigabyte laptop. By the way, when you have installed VMware, you can install another packages. Uh, we are ready for the future videos, how install VMware. So here you go, we can look for the software. So VMware Pro Machine, we open it. So here you go, we can create a new virtual machine. Hey guys, so I expect that guy work for you and we see you in the future videos. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and we're happy to share more knowledge with you. Guys, that's all so you can create your virtual machine